Hey, sneakerheads! Welcome to LegitApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to legit check your kicks in less than 10 minutes. Ready to keep your collection authentic? Let's go. First things first, search LegitApp on the Apple Store or Google Play. Download it and sign up using Apple, Facebook, or Google. Boom, you're in. Before we start legit checking anything, we need to buy some legit tokens, which are like the app's currency. Head to the token store, grab a plan that fits your needs, and you're good to go. We'll legit check both fake and real pairs to see how they turned out. Let's start with the fake ones first. Now, for the key part, taking pics, follow our photo guidelines. Tap sneakers from the category, choose your brand and the exact model you copped. How fast do you need those results? Choose your turnaround time. Whether you need it ASAP or can wait up to 24 hours, it's your call. They show the exact angles and details our experts need to see. Okay, so you need to snap 12 pics of your kicks from different angles. Get both sides of the shoe, including the exterior outer and exterior inner, then the back and bottom of the shoe, aka the heel and the outsole. Next, capture the top of the insole and the back of the insole. Be gentle when you take out the insole, as it's usually stuck on pretty good. When you take photos of the inside sewing or insole cardboard, turning on the flashlight can really help. Don't forget about the inside label. Then, the front and back of the tongue. Finally, get the box stamp and box label. If you're missing the box, just select no box, easy peasy. Once you have all the pictures taken, upload them with your request. Here's where the magic happens. LegitApp uses at least 2 expert authenticators, an AI analysis to double-check your kicks. Fast, thorough, and reliable. After the authentication process, you'll get a notification with your result. Your sneakers will be labeled as authentic or replica. If it's a replica, you'll receive a 1 to 10 difficulty score and the reasons for the decision. All right, let's check the real pairs and see what happens. We'll go through the same steps. And bam, in no time, we got the results. If they're legit, you can get a free digital certificate of authenticity. Handy if you ever decide to resell these kicks in the future. Feel free to show it off on social media or just keep it for your records. Download LegitApp today and stay legit with us. Follow us for more authentication tips and the latest updates.